afternoon, grade 4 learners.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Luya, gihapon, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
So now, since we're done praying and checking your attendance, first, let me introduce myself. I am teacher Rachel Castro, and you can call me teacher Rachel. So, sa ito inyong itawag na ako, teacher
Rachel.
Okay, so now, before we proceed, natay classroom rules. Our classroom rules is come to the class on time. Second, listen when someone is talking. And third, raise your hand to speak. Clear about on classroom rule, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so before we start our discussion, let's have a recap first. What was our topic last meeting? If you know the topic, can you raise your hand? What's your name?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Jessa, what was our topic last meeting?
Sources of heat.
Again.
Sources of heat.
Okay, sources of heat. So now, before we proceed, let's have an activity first. Okay? So our activity is about this picture. So I want you to observe the picture if what is in the picture. So can you observe?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have a question. So what happened to the tree? Unsa may nahitabo sa tree? Natumba. Okay. So ngano mang natumba man yung tree? Unsa may cause ani niya? Nganong natumba man ni siya?
Typhoon.
Okay, can you stand up?
Possible, teacher, is because of typhoon.
Okay, very good. It's because of the typhoon. So give 3 claps to, what's your name?
Like a teacher.
Laika. So give 3 claps to Laika. 1, 2, 3. So I have a last question. What happens if no one removes the tree? So if yung ani lagi yung tree, dili ni siya kaon, unsa may mahitabo?
Samo.
Can you please raise your hand? So, Miss Vilaika,
It will cause accident.
okay, it will cause accident. So, give 3 claps to Vilaika. Another answer. If dili ni remove the tree is unsa may cause ani? Business.
Samok siya sa mga tao, teacher.
Okay, samok siya sa mga tao. So, na naman may idea kung sa atong topic for today? Lesson?
Teacher.
Okay, no. So, our topic for today's lesson is all about safety measures to observe bad weather. So, can you please read what's our topic for today?
Safety measures to observe bad weather.
Okay, there are 7 safety measures to observe bad weather. So, first, safety inside the house. So, if na bad weather, is asa man mo? Nagbuhat sa gawas o nasa sud sa balay?
Sud sa balay.
Okay, syempre nasa sud sa balay kay bad ang weather man. So, ang second, you should not walk and play in the flood. So, when we say flood, unsa man ang flood?
Baha.
Oh, kayo, please stand.
Baha, teacher.
Okay, ang flood is baha. So, you should, kanang diligent mo angay mo, kanang tabok og baha or magduwa man lang mo sa baha kay delikado. And the third one is stay out of the rain. So, kanang siya safety po ni siya, it's because ang rain, og dili mo stay sa inyong house is sa kasagaran karon ng mga bata is kanang mag-rain kay kanang magpasinguan, di ba? Mao man na ang ilang kanang duwa-duwa sa una nga magpasinguan. Kay dindot lagi mo maligo sa uwan. So kailangan stay out of the rain. Ang kani siya is nasa ni siya cause F kanang magkanang kuan mo. Magkanang pasinguan mo kay mahimo ka na ini lamtan mo o kon sipon. And the fourth one, get yourself and your family's sufficient food supply. So makabantay na ganin mo if ang mabadang kanang lain ang panahon is kanang bukuan jud mo kanang sanay andam jud mo o kanang mga food mga ingana kay wa mo kay baw sa panahon if kanang ang kuan day ang lapag ang paglain is panahon grabe ya dili na makagawas-gawas kay tuod kusubuan mabahaan pa ka di na kakatabok. And then the number 5 is store drinking water. So kaning store drinking water is kanang pinaka-importante gini sa ato ang self. Kay kanang if may tubig kay unsa man ta? Matay. Okay, nasa na posibilidad mamatay ta unsa pa? Dehydration. So and the sixth one is tune into reliable sources or information such as the radio and television regarding weather advisories. So, kamo, if asa man ta makahibaw na ay ka ng bagyo.
Weather forecast.
Okay, wait. Pag-asa. So, kanang importante jud ni na mo tan-aw tag kanang television. So karon nga kanang generation is wala naman rin kayo radio no. Kanang mostly kay mga TV na lang. So ari na lang ta sa TV mo unsa man ari ta sa TV mo
Maminos balita.
okay kay para makakuan mo og information sa atong kalibutan. So in the last one, keep calm at all times. So kamo, if kanang naay bagyo, barato ba mo?
Yes.
Okay. So dapat og nagay bagyo kalma lang kay urag maapektuhan na imong kaugalingon og dili ka mo kalma. So kani siya mo ni ang 7 safety measures to observe bad weather. So nakasabot ra ang mga ni class?
Yes, teacher.
Ngano ganing mo stay out of the rain ta? Can you please raise your hand? Based on your understanding lang.
The question again, teacher?
Ngano mo stay out of the rain mata nganong mo kanang dili matawag pasinguan?
Para dili masakit.
Okay, para dili sakit. Okay, so give 5 claps to Vilayka. So now, let's proceed to ang safety measures to observe bad weather is napunishai. There are common alignments associated with different weather conditions. So, can you please read everyone?
Safety precautions should also be practiced during other types of weather conditions. Different elements become prevalent during certain types of weather.
Okay, so these are common alignments associated with different weather conditions. So, kani siya is nasa ni siya during the summer. So, ang first kani during the summer is maka-encounter of chickenpox. So, can you please read?
You may get fever and chills. Then small itchy blisters appear on your face, arms, chest, and back.
Okay, thank you everyone. So, ang chickenpox is kanang mo jud ni siya kanang may encounter kasagaran sa mga tao which is chickenpox. So, dili man tanang tao di ba maka-encounter ani?
Yes.
Okay. Kato naman ni na-encounter ka tong ni virus nga ni agi pag sa 2023-24. Basta dito ani siya ni okay. Yes. So second is measles. It starts with fever, cough, and runny nose. Later red rashes and up on your face, arms, chest, and back. So ang measles is mo ni siya makita na ninyo?
Yes, sir.
So mo ni ang kanang symptoms sa measles kanang magpuwa-puwa bitaw ang ari
Ang dupang, teacher.
yes tip dust consider ba na siya tip dust or
Lahira ang tipdas o dupang
okay
teacher.
so lahira rin ang tip dust o ang kaning measles so ang kaning siya kay kanang ari ra magpuwa-puwa imong imong naong. So, pwede sa ni siya mabutang sa kanang imuhang kaning arms, chest, and back. So, and the last one, during the summer is mumps. Your neck may swell, making it hard to swallow food. Eating becomes difficult. So, ang kaning mumps is kaning bitaw diri mo burang ka hari, mayo o. Murag something nga na basta ubulat diri ka nang maglisod kag swallow baka nang lamoy. Sakit. Murag wala na kay ganang ang taon. Pa-consider, guys. So nasa din siya, di ba nasa tayo ubang tawag na katong mag-isip kag swallow, pero lahi ito siya. Katong ang circle, di ba? Mag-isip mo lamoy yan na dire.
Okay.
Tonsil, I mean, tonsil. Lahi, pero lahi siya. Ako rin siyang makunik na siya na mag-isip kag swallow. Oh, and then, so the next one is, during rainy days. Nakita na ba?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, during the rainy days. So, before the proceed diri sa proceed sa during rainy days is kaning chicken pox, measles, mumps is kanang kapan bitani makatakod sa lain if magkanang sige magduol dali ra kay ni siya makatakod ang kaning tulo, and then maka-post mo ni siya o kanang makamatay po na ba ni siya, and let's proceed to during rainy days. So the first one is influenza or flu. Can you please read everyone?
You may have chills, fever, and headache.
Your body may feel painful and flu spreads easily in the air. If you have the flu, rest in bed and drink lots of water.
Okay, so ang kaning influenza or flu is mao ni siya kanang nakatry na mo magtrangkaso kanang tungod sa ilanat. Yes. Okay, so mao ni siya. Mao ni siya ang influenza or flu. Kanang ang symptoms kanang mabuhay gani kanang mga ilantan and kanang magsakit imong uo, and then ang imo bitaw ang paginaw sa imong kaugalingon kay kapoy kaayo naka-try mo ana.
Yes.
Or sa wala ka naka-try or sa inyo marang mama, papa.
That's common in Japan.
Okay.
How about in the Philippines?
And then next one is cold and cold. Can you please read it, everyone?
You may sneeze a lot, have a runny nose, and water eyes. If not treated, it may lead to cough.
Okay. Have you experienced kanang pagkon mo og sipunon?
Yeah.
Like you okay,
Yeah, like
so
me.
mao ni siya ang example picture sa upuan og sipon. So this is what we call cold and cold. So kani siya maka-experience tani og mawanan ta. Diba? Mawanan ta and kanang hinay ato ang ban sa lawas ba?
Immune system.
System. And kanang nasa ni siya maka-post mo siya rito kanang si pangalan ng
Isubawan, teacher.
Oh, subawan. Thank you, Eunice. Subawan ka. So, dili na under ko ni siya sa cold and cold. So now let's proceed to nakasabot na ako sa discussion ako.
Yes, teacher.
Unsa ganitong 3
Chicken pox, measles, and mumps.
Okay, thank you. And during the rainy days, can you please raise your hand? Okay. Eunice,
Influenza or flu and cough and cold.
can you give Laika and Eunice 5 claps? Okay. So now, let's proceed to our activity. So, naramay may nasabtan, no? So,
Yes.
let's proceed to our group activity. Let's see. I will group you in 2 groups and I want you to, nani siya picture diri. And I want you to paste it and safe or unsafe ba siya ang nasa picture. Nakasabot ra ba mo?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, can you please Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you please pass it forward? Based sa ato ang activity, unsa man ang inyong na learn? Sa base sa ato activity, unsa man inyong na learn diri sa atong gi-paste it nako ang gi-paste it ninyo ang picture sa unsafe or safe.
Na amo ang na differentiate asa ang safe and unsafe ako.
Okay, thank you, Eunice. Can you please give 5 claps to Eunice? Okay, so okay na ba ito ang activity?
Yes.
Okay, so now, since okay naman, so I have a question before we proceed our assessment. So, unsa ganito, can you give me safety measures to observe weather? Can you give me one? Carol?
Stay out of the rain.
Okay, another one? Eunice?
You should not walk and play in the flood.
Okay, so very good. So give a round of applause to of yourself. So now mo may nakatunan. So let's proceed to our assessment. So diri na to makita if naminaw ba mo sa ako ang discussion. Can you So, isuwat ni siya sa one whole sheet of paper. I give you 5 minutes to answer this one. A and B. Nakakuha na ba, class?
Yes,
teacher. Kanaya naman ninyo, nakuha na ba?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I give you 5 minutes to answer that one. Okay. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, since you're done, do you have any questions or clarifications about my topic, which is
No,
safety?
teacher.
Sure?
Yes, teacher.
Nakasabot ra ba?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so I'm happy na naminaw din mo sa akong discussion and thank you class and goodbye.
Good.